Various reliable and performant CNC control with compact design and fully enclosed splash guard to save land costs. Super rigid machine base, saddle, column, headstock, and table are as composed as complex as the human body. They are called the 5 elements of the machining center. The direct-driven spindle motor for better transmission to avoid noisy and vibration in tapping. Integrated casting of base with bracket to provide high rigidity. Ending with laser inspection and Renishaw ball bar tests to ensure repeatability and positioning accuracy. Powerful chip flushing system on the front, back sides, and spindle nose helps easy and fast chip disposal for high efficiency machining and extended tool life as well. To realize the accuracy of dynamic cutting and performance in surface roughness through CMD workpiece testing. The Max 20-tool magazine capacity with roller cam mechanism and simultaneous tool clamping unclamping system for reliable and quick tool change in 0.8 seconds. Z-axis slideway protected by telescopic cover and slant-shaped telescopic cover for quiet and easy chip disposal. It takes only 6 seconds for the rotary APC with high-speed cam-type pallet changer switching around. Working space of the APC is included in the floor space. Rigid tapping with maximum 6,000 RPM spindle speed that is especially suitable for aluminum. Smoothly operating and milling, drilling, and tapping are characteristics. The maximum spindle speed can reach 12,000 RPM and 15,000 RPM is an option. Smooth APC door opening for an easy view of the workpiece. The integrated Japanese CNC control, which is suitable for 3C industries, die and mold industries, and normal machining industries. The front door interlock as standard to be approved by CE certificate.